San Fierro.
It's fucked up. I can honestly say I wish you was here.
Great. Now you got the present for that friend of mine, right? You know, the one trying to get me and old Officer Pulaski into trouble?
Yeah.
Why don't you put that up in his car and give We-Tip a call?
Hey, motherfucker, the code of the streets is that I don't snitch. I don't give a fuck if he kills you, me, my brother. Street cats don't call no cops.
Carl, he's a DA.
Oh, yeah? Well, where I go find him?
He's at the Vankov Hotel in the Financial.
Oh, for sure.
Stop.
It's on now. That's cool.
Oh, God, no.
Ah, you must be the new boy. Get in line.
My nickname on the force is Clean Harry. Come on! Time is money!
Hey, that's the DA. He's a good tipper.
No dings. Hey, move over, punk ass! If I end up in rehab again, my father's gonna freak.
I need that vehicle. Hello? This we tip? I seen something highly suspicious you should come check out.
Police, don't move! Get out of the car with your hands in the air!
Do you know who you're fucking with here? I'll have your badge, you moron.
Shut up! You find anything back there?
Found anything? He's got half of Mexico in here. Must be 2 tons of Mary here.
What? But I've never seen. How could it be?
Hell of a defense you got there, buddy!
Can you just stay in your own space? This place sucks.
Hello?
Carl, it's Zero.
Oh, hi, Z. You wasn't around when I signed the deeds.
Yes, I know. I was on a dangerous reconnaissance mission, deep into enemy territory.
Yeah, right, sure, whatever you say. I should come through and have a look at the business, you know?
Oh, of course. I'll have to tidy up a bit. This place is such a mess.
Don't worry about it. I'll drop in soon.
Muévete o matan a tu hijo, puta! August, come on.
Isn't the cot a great club?
Hey, homies.
What up, Carl?
What the fuck is going on? Do I look like a hooker to you?
What?
Those assholes keep saying shit to me.
Who said this to you?
The construction workers up that hill.
I'ma fuck them up.
Nah, hold up. I got this. I need to go teach him a little respect, huh?
That's right.
Yeah. I've been thinking about getting me some new land anyway.
Get out the way! I'm getting drunk. Yeah, this is gonna be fun!
Oh! You gonna stay cool now.
I needed a... Come on, asshole! Watch where you're going! What the fuck? 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 What the Move it.
What's all that damn clatter? Holy crap, I didn't see nothing.
Oh, God, no!
You blind, buddy?
Oh, God, I'm gonna blow!
You shouldn't have done that. Now you better shut up. Yeah, what?
Yo, man, it's Jethro, dude.
Hey, Jethro, what up?
Well, I was talking to Cesar and, well, don't get me wrong, dude. I mean, you are one out there dude when it comes to driving, man. But Cesar, he told us how many cars you get through, dude. And me and Dwayne were like, whoa!
What is your point, Jethro?
No point, man, no point. Just that there's an advanced driving school, like, just up the road from the garage, man. Like in Dorrit.
Driving school? Man, exactly what you trying to say, man?
Nothing, man, nothing. It was Dwayne's idea. I think you're, you know, cool and shit. I better go, CJ. I'll see you later.
I don't have time for idiots.
CJ.
You got it?
Hey, my cousin just called me. He gave me a tip about a baller's car going to San Fierro to score yay.
Shit. We gotta find out who's supplying those cats.
Read your mind, Holmes. I picked them up at the Mulholland intersection, and I'm trailing them now.
Okay, I'm coming to meet you.
Better make it fast, Holmes. These boys are hanging around.
Hop in, Holmes.
Where we going?
They were headed over Angel Pine Way.
Hey, you son of a bitch!
There it is, Holmes.
Ryder, you shermhead!
This business is bigger than any gang, ese.
Ryder, little bitch! This guy take himself real serious.
That's T-Bone Mendez.
What now? Is that it?
Hey, who's the gringo?
I don't like the look of that guy. This more than a few thugs pushing product. It's a serious organization.
How many of these clowns are there?
I know a pimp when I see one. They being clever about this. It ain't no exchange of nothing incriminating. That was some heavy shit.
We better split up and get out of here. I'll meet you back at the garage, eh?
Coolio, we got what we came for anyway.